Are you struggling with this whole affiliate marketing thing and want to know how to create an affiliate marketing funnel that actually works? Well, I took a look at all the top affiliates, I checked out their funnels, and what's interesting is that all of their funnels have three main things in common. The first thing is really great copy. They also have a really great offer, and they are using the right tools. So keep on watching to see how I create an affiliate marketing funnel using what I've learned from top affiliates. Okay, so I want to show you a few high converting affiliate marketing funnels, starting with this one. Okay, so right off the bat, what's going through your mind? For me, it looks very simple, maybe a little boring, and all I'm looking at is text and a button. Okay, so there's a strategy behind all of this. So first is this, what I call eyebrow or kicker text. It's essentially supposed to hook people in and encourage them to read the rest of the landing page. So it says 100% free online course. So the viewer already knows what they're going to get. And this is the headline, and this is the subheadline with a call to action button. And just below the button says 100% beginner friendly. So it's calling out those beginners. Okay, so basically, this affiliate marketing funnel is all about offering people a free online course on how to start your own profitable AI side hustle. Okay, now let's go to the next example. Check this out. So it says, wait, don't close the page, 100% free online course. So these are kind of like the kicker or eyebrow text. And then we have the main headline, call to action button, and some sub-headline text here. And here is the third example. So very, very similar, right? There isn't a lot of design. It looks very basic. There's no images. It's all text. So we have the kicker text, headline, a little bit of sub-headline, button, and some additional text here to encourage people to click the button. So basically the goal here is for people to click the button to go to the next page. Okay, so when you click on the button, this is how it looks like. It's actually a pop-up and it's asking for your first name and email address. Okay, so this is one of the secrets to building a high converting affiliate marketing funnel, and that is to collect people's information. You never just want to promote a product without collecting information. So the only way you can collect information is by offering something, right? You need to offer something valuable. So for these top affiliates, they are offering a free course in exchange for their first name and their email address. Okay, so again, it's the copy and the irresistible offer. Now on the next page, this is what the reader gets. So you have kicker text here, wait, don't close this page, how to start a wildly profitable marketing agency. And then this course or video kind of goes into detail about that. And what's very important is that the affiliate is teaching them and at the same time introducing the affiliate offer. Okay, so you could be affiliate for basically any product out there. If you are in marketing, if you do a lot of digital marketing, I highly recommend being affiliates for software. Okay, so I love marketing software. So this particular affiliate is promoting marketing software. So they are talking about how to start an agency and then talking about the software. And then you'll notice at the bottom of the video, it says, get your 30-day free trial. So when you click on this, it goes to that affiliate's, that software. So they can go and subscribe to that software. And when they subscribe, then the affiliate gets a cut. Okay, so that's the whole highly profitable affiliate marketing funnel. So you essentially want to have them click on this button, fill out their contact information, and then watch this short video, which educates them, but also pitches the offer and also the various bonuses that they would get if they sign up today. Now I'm going to show you how to build all of this. Okay, so this is my ClickFunnels, and personally for me, I wish I had this. So as you can see, it's very, very simple. There is no flashy images, no crazy designs. It's all text. So what I did was I analyzed the copy on those high converting funnels, and I turned the copy into templates and I put it in here for you to use. And like I said, I wish I had something like this when I started, because I always struggled with copy, and I wish someone just gave me a template and I just filled it in with my personal information. So I'm gonna share this with you. If you click the link in my description, you'll fill out a form and I'll instantly send you this exact affiliate marketing funnel that you could use right away. Okay, so this is the kicker text, 100% free, your type of offer. So think about what irresistible offer you have. It could be a free course. And then this is the headline, and I created it into a template. So how I achieved your achievement goal without common obstacle. So it could be something like how I started a wildly profitable marketing agency without spending thousands of dollars in the beginning, or how I achieved a profitable marketing agency without paid ads, something like that. And then the sub headline says, get my exact resource tool plus additional benefit plus another benefit. Okay, so it could say, get my exact course plus free checklist plus free 30-day access to a particular software. Okay, and what's really cool about ClickFunnels, I'm using ClickFunnels here, is that you can add 2 lines of text in a button. So it says get offer plus bonuses, and just below that it says instant access on the next page. So I really like how you can add a subtext which just pushes people just beyond that edge to encourage them to click. Okay, so you can add those 2 lines of text and then some additional text here just to make sure people are 100% on this correct page. They are beginners and they read that, they're like, great, I'm a beginner too, so I'm going to click on this button. Now what's really cool is that when they try to exit the page, or when they click on this button, then the pop-up appears. So this is the pop-up. Where should we send it? Ask for their name and email, get access now, view on next page. So this is where we'll send them all of our bonuses, our course, and also a link to our affiliate program. All right, and on the next page is the video that you are sharing. Now I just put on an example YouTube video that I created a few weeks ago. So this is the kicker text, and then this is the headline, sub-headline. You add your own video, some paragraph text here, and then this is the most important part for affiliate marketing, and that is a link to the affiliate offer. All right, so for me, I promote a software, so I would say get your 30-day free trial here. So when you click on the button, when someone clicks on this button, all you do is, for button action, click on go to, and this is where you add the affiliate link that you have. Okay, so when they click on this button, they will be cookied in, and if they make a purchase, then you get an affiliate commission. Okay, so this is how you build a wildly profitable affiliate marketing funnel. Okay, so to show this to you, so this is the first page. So if someone tries to exit out of the page, or if they click on this button, they'll show them this pop-up. And then on the next page, this is the next page. So they'll learn from your course, where you will educate them and also promote the affiliate offer. And then just right below here, they click on the button to claim their free 30-day trial. Okay, so this, I'm telling you, is how you can make affiliate marketing work for you. It isn't about flashy designs. It truly is all about copy and an irresistible offer, and also you need the right tools. I'm using ClickFunnels. Now again, if you want free access to this affiliate marketing funnel, including other funnels that I create in the future, click the link in my description, fill out that form. When you fill out that form, I'll also send you over to the One Funnel Away Challenge, which is a 5-day course, you could say, that teaches you how to start your own online business. So you can enroll in that course if you want. But with that said, hopefully you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Let me know if you did. The only way to let me know is by hitting that like button and commenting. Also subscribe to my channel, and if you want to check out my other videos, click on any of the ones on the screen. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.